The word offer means to present something for someone to either accept or to refuse. We learned that rejoice means to show or feel great joy, and neglect is referring to that failing to do something or take care of something properly. If a friend were having trouble with her math homework, would you offer to help? Why? Take a look at this question. If your mother told you that you were going to the eye doctor, would you rejoice? Why or why not? Let's look at the last one. If your friend neglected to wish you a happy birthday, would you be upset? Why or why not? Now we're going to play a game. This is finishing the end of the story. So I'm going to read a story leaving off the last word, and you will decide which of those 3 words you think makes the best ending for the story. Let's look at the first example. I told my sister that I'd be happy to help her fix her bike. She said she doesn't need any help, and she declined my blank. Which vocabulary word makes the best ending for the story, and why? Right, if you guessed the word offer, you are correct. Let's take a look at another example. After my brother was born, my grandparents came to visit. Isn't it wonderful, said Grandpa, that we can all be together and blank? Which word do you think makes the most sense, and why? Did you guess the word rejoice? If you did, you are correct. Let's look at another example. Dora was careful to feed her fish and clean their tank every day. She knew taking care of her goldfish wasn't something she could blank. Which word do you think makes the most sense? Did you choose neglect? Yep, she doesn't want to neglect her fish in her fish tank. Great job. Let's look at another example. Our team should be very proud to have won the championship, said Coach Harris. We'll get together on Saturday to celebrate and blank. Which word makes the most sense? Yep, rejoice. Samira tried to remember to check her mailbox for letters every day, but she often forgot. She was so busy at school that getting the mail just became something she would blank. Which word makes the most sense? Right, if it's something she's forgetting to do, then she's referring to the word neglect. Everything at our store is half off this week only, says the commercial on the radio. Act now to accept this incredible blank. You got it. Offer. That wraps up day 2. We'll see you back tomorrow for day 3.